Have you ever played a really immersive video game? One where the graphics are so good, you almost feel like you're inside the game world? Now, imagine a civilization far, far more advanced than us, capable of creating simulations indistinguishable from reality. This is the essence of the quantum simulation hypothesis, or QSH. The QSH proposes that our universe, and everything in it, might be a giant quantum computer simulation run by the creator of the universe. It's a mind-bending idea, suggesting that our reality, including our consciousness, is entirely virtual. This isn't just science fiction, it's a serious scientific and philosophical concept being explored by physicists and philosophers today. Think about the rapid advancements in our own technology. Just a few decades ago, computers were room-sized behemoths. Now, we carry incredibly powerful smartphones in our pockets. If our technology continues to advance at this rate, who knows what we'll be capable of in 1,000 or 1,000,000 years? Let's say there is a civilization that's been around for millions of years longer than us. Their technology would be so advanced, it would be indistinguishable from magic to us. They might have figured out how to manipulate the very fabric of reality, harnessing the power of quantum mechanics. Such a civilization might have the ability to create simulated universes within their quantum computers. These simulations could be incredibly detailed, replicating not just the physical laws of our universe, but also our history, our cultures, and even our individual experiences. These simulations wouldn't be like the simple video games we have today. They would be so complex and realistic that the simulated beings within them, that's us, if the QSH is true, would have no way of knowing they weren't living in a real universe. One of the most intriguing aspects of the QSH is the question of consciousness. If we are living in a simulation, does that mean our thoughts, feelings, and experiences are also simulated? Could consciousness itself be a product of incredibly advanced programming? This is where things get really weird. We still don't fully understand consciousness, even in our own real world. Some scientists believe it's an emergent property of complex systems, like the human brain. Others believe it might be a fundamental property of the universe, like space and time. If the QSH is true, it would suggest that consciousness can be simulated, which would have profound implications for our understanding of what it means to be human. It would mean that our innermost thoughts and feelings, the things that make us who we are, could be the result of lines of code written by beings we can barely even imagine. Section 4. Glitches in the Matrix. When reality seems off. Have you ever experienced something that made you question the nature of reality? Maybe you had a strong sense of déjà vu, feeling like you'd lived through a moment before. Or perhaps you witnessed something seemingly impossible, defying the laws of physics as we know them. Proponents of the quantum simulation hypothesis point to these kinds of experiences as potential evidence for glitches in the simulation. Just like a video game can have bugs or glitches, they argue, so too could our simulated reality. These glitches might manifest as strange coincidences, unexplained phenomena, or even temporary breakdowns in the laws of physics. Another piece of evidence often cited is the strange and counterintuitive nature of quantum mechanics. The behavior of particles at the quantum level is so bizarre and unpredictable, it's almost as if the universe itself is working with incomplete information. Could this be a sign that our reality is not as solid and deterministic as we once believed? Section 5. What does it mean to be real, anyway? The quantum simulation hypothesis raises profound philosophical questions about the nature of reality and our place within it. If we are living in a simulation, does that mean our lives are any less meaningful? Are we just lines of code in a giant computer program, with no free will or agency? These are difficult questions with no easy answers. Some people might find the idea of living in a simulation liberating. After all, if nothing is truly real, then maybe we are free to create our own meaning and purpose. Others might find it deeply unsettling, a blow to our sense of self and our place in the cosmos. Ultimately, the question of whether or not we are living in a simulation might be unanswerable. But even if we can never know for sure, the quantum simulation hypothesis forces us to confront some of the biggest questions we can ask about the universe, our existence, and the nature of reality itself. Section 6. Who are the masterminds behind the curtain? If our universe is indeed a simulation, it's natural to wonder who or what created it. Are we the playthings of some advanced alien race, conducting a cosmic experiment? Or perhaps we have a creator and something entirely beyond our comprehension, beings operating on a level of reality we can barely even fathom. The quantum simulation hypothesis doesn't offer any easy answers to these questions. It's possible that our creator left us on autopilot for eons, or he is watching us, observing our every move with detached curiosity. Section 7. The mystery continues. We may never know for sure. The quantum simulation hypothesis is a tantalizing idea, a thought experiment that pushes the boundaries of our understanding of the universe. It's a concept that is both exhilarating and terrifying, offering the possibility that our reality is far stranger and more wondrous than we ever imagined. While we may never know for sure if we are living in a simulation, the quantum simulation hypothesis serves as a powerful reminder of the vastness of the unknown. It challenges us to question our assumptions, to embrace the mystery of existence, and to never stop exploring the cosmos and our place within it. The universe is full of wonders, and the quantum simulation hypothesis is just one of many mind-bending possibilities that await us as we continue to explore the cosmos and unravel its secrets.